guys, how are you? It's Watts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I do this like DIY at-home blowout look. It's also giving like Supermodels like Y2K era to me, which I love. But I love this. It's super easy. I'm not a hair fanatic. Like makeup is my thing. So I like to make hair as easy as possible. This is something that if you do it like once or twice, you will like get the hang of it and it's fine. And you don't even need to be perfect at it. It does not need to be perfect. Just need to be hot, pinned, curled, stayed, sprayed. It's good. I also did this with a straightener. I've tried doing this with a curling iron and it just makes my hair too curly and too formally, and I don't like that for me. I want my hair to have like a bend and a wave and I want it to stay. So I've actually love using a straightener for this curling effect. And then the pins aren't necessary. You can just bend it with a curling iron, but pins make it stay all day. Okay. I'm gonna try to make this fast and efficient for you guys. Super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. But I love it. Okay, let's get to it. So with hair care, because it's very important into doing some good hair and having good hair, I wash my hair. I usually wash my hair twice. When I get out, I put a little bit of a deep hair mask at the ends of my hair. And then I also use Blowout. This is their leave-in conditioning spray. I got my hair done by someone new recently and she, not on purpose, but fried my hair off a little more than I was hoping for. So I want to make sure that my hair is hydrated as much as possible and that it's always being protected. Cloud9 also has, this is the rapid blow dry, but it's also heat protectant. You want to protect your hair when you're going to style and put any type of hot tools to your head. For this like particular hair, I parted it a little aside instead of like the center. I just kind of like it like that. I have my Vibrastrait straightener. I love the straightener. This is the smaller one. They do have a thicker one. I like the smaller one because it's just, I can do more with it. I've been using this for years, as you guys know. It vibrates when you straighten it. So it just glides through and it doesn't stop leaving your hair having like, you know, like sometimes you straighten your hair and there's like ridges in it. We are gonna section off our hair. I'm gonna do a big chunk. All right, I'm just gonna clip my hair. I can't find my smaller clips. I don't know where they are. I also have these hair clips. You can do this without the clips. It's just if you want them to stay for like an all day, it's better just to clip them and let them cool as long as possible with these on. I'm going to take, this is the maximum hold finishing spray, this is Blowout, and I'm gonna spray a little bit in my hair to get some type of hold to it. And then if you want your hair to be super voluminous, I would put some hairspray at the root. I'm gonna brush it out for a second. The smaller the pieces, the better, but this is not too thin. Get out of here. I'm gonna slowly go through it. So see how it already has like a curl? I could leave it like this and it'd be really pretty, but if you want it to stay longer, get the piece hot. Ooh, got really hot, Jesus. I take 3 fingers. I'm gonna wrap my hair around like that. And then I'm gonna kind of like bunch it. And I swear, like the more you do this, the easier it gets. I don't have this perfected and it doesn't really matter. And I just kind of like leave it there. Take the next piece. Make sure this whole piece is hot. 3 fingers. Wrap it around like that. Make the circle wider. And just have it like that. So, I'm done with this side. I'm going to spray. Boom, like that. Let's do this side. Bottom done. Spraying. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna take the center like this. Grab it. Kind of like do a mohawk section. Take the top, and I'm just gonna pin it with these for now. Hopefully it stays. Taking these, I like to get at the root and towards the end and then brush it out. And again, I swear, do this like twice and you pretty much got it. fingers, roll it like so. Try to bring it to the top. Take a pin, pin it. So I did this one time with curling iron and it made my hair very curly. For this look, I don't want it to be like that curly. So I like using the straightener. Obviously the back's a little tough, but it's not like I want it to be super curly anyways. I'm gonna do this in 2 sections. And the great thing about this, to be honest with you, you don't have to be really perfect with this. Just get it hot, roll it up in some type of like spiral, and it'll be pretty good shape. Okay, boom. So we have those sections. I'm gonna start with this one right here. You know, I'm gonna try doing this huge chunk on it all together. Let's see what it looks like. It might be good. I'm trying to get the spray to dry a bit. I'm curling this back. I've been liking it that way. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to spray it one last chance. So you can go and clean, you can go and do your makeup now, you can do whatever you want. Leave this in for as long, the longer you leave this in, the more it will stay. But for this video, I'm just taking it out now. Start from the back to the front. I'm gonna leave this top in just a little longer. They're cool now. Trying to find my part again. Love doing this. This has been like my new like hair routine lately. And I tried doing this like with a curling iron where I have like a big curling iron and I would curl it and then do it. And it's just like, it made it like too curly. Like I felt like a rich housewife of Beverly Hills type of curly. Like, I don't know how to explain it. And I just didn't really, I don't know, I didn't really love it. So I like using a straightener and then curling it because that's like what gives it this like blow dry effect. And again, pinning it makes it stay longer. But I think it's so cute. Now, I love using, this is the Ricardo, the Enhancing Shine Serum. I always have the type of oil in my hair. I'm just gonna very lightly brush this through. And this is, oof, it's on my eye. And this is what's gonna like make it shiny. But I think this is so pretty. This again has been like my new favorite hair routine. It's like the at-home DIY blowout look. I feel like it looks healthy. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have learned something as always. I love this look. This has been my go-to hair routine. I feel like every single time I wear my hair like this, I get so many compliments. So let me know if you guys try this. This is the best straightener. I've been using this for like 3 years and we are amongst Amazon Prime, so this is also on sale. So definitely like grab this if you're like in need of a new straightener. But yes, I will link everything below. Thank you guys. I love you. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you next time.